is going through turbulent and trying times at the moment, with flash floods ravaging places that were once considered home by many. In Nigeria, within the last couple of days in late October 2022, there are over 600 killed, 2 million people displaced, and over 70,000 hectares of farmlands destroyed, making it one of the worst flooding experiences in decades.
This is Sagbama. Houses are submerged with water. This is a disaster. Honestly, it's not funny.
You and I can make a difference and help bring succor to someone out there stranded and holding on to one last thread to life. We at We Care Initiatives, a US-based non-profit humanitarian organization, are leading a timely intervention effort today. Join us in this noble drive. Visit our website to donate to our cause at wecareini.org or use the PayPal link donate@wecareini.org. Together we are We Care Initiatives, making a difference, one soul at a time.